Okay, arc cosine. I know that I'm allowed to be between 0 and pi. And I'm implying a triangle here. There must be a triangle. So let me draw it. Since it's positive, and I have to be in quadrant 1 or 2 according to the rules of arc cosine, I'm going to draw this in quadrant 1. And I don't know. I'll just draw this, I guess. And there's my right triangle. And I know that the adjacent is 3, because that's on top. And I know that the hypotenuse is the square root of x squared minus 2x plus 10. That's my hypotenuse, and I don't know my opposite side of this angle. This is the angle that we're talking about. We said arc, so we're talking about some angle, that is related to that ratio. Okay, so we're saying equals, and we're saying it's an angle, and arc sine is saying it's an angle, so it's the same angle. But anyway, let's build it. We just built it a little bit. And now let's figure out what it is. So c squared, the hypotenuse, in other words, x squared minus 2x plus 10, that's the hypotenuse squared, I just take away the radical, is equal to the other two sides squared and added together. So I have, when I subtract 9 from both sides, I get x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to b squared. I think I'd like to factor that. So I would say x, well, it looks like it's x minus 1 twice, right? X minus 1 again. So that is x minus, how convenient is this? And then I want b, so I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and I'm going to get x minus 1, and I'm going to assume it's positive since it's a distance. Maybe that's a mistake, but x could be anything. Except that it's not. It's out here in quadrant 1, so I guess it can't be anything. So there's b. b is equal to x minus 1. So when you tell me that there is something I should fill in right here, then I'm going to say I need the arc sine of the opposite is x minus 1, and the hypotenuse is the square root of x squared minus 2x plus 10. And like a bad boy, I'm going to leave that on the bottom because, oops, I said I'm not willing to be that bad. Okay, I just said arc. Hey, you know what? Let me just say, since I don't have any room anymore, sine minus 1, that's the same thing, right? Of this stuff. Alright? And that's what I needed to fill in there. So I just complete what the triangle is equal to on all sides. So if I need the opposite, I have it to put in here over the hypotenuse.